FEN Zambia production with support from the Swedish International Development Cooperation Agency SIDA through WE Effect. Agriculture is one of the largest sectors in Zambia, dominated by over 60% of the population and is key towards food security, nutrition well-being of households, communities and the nation. Climate change witnessed through extreme weather changes have called for the need to be resilient and also put mitigation measures. The 2023-2024 drought have shown the vulnerability of Zambia's food system to external shocks. For this reason, some organizations in Zambia, among them FEN Zambia, are encouraging the use of agroecology. Agroecology practices are in harmony with nature and promotes resilience. Agroecology involves reduced tillage, elimination of chemical-synthesized fertilizers and pesticides, and the use of biodiversity-based solutions to enhance food production through increasing soil fertility, pollination, and natural pest control. The concept of agroecology is without opponents. The opponents of agroecology argue that it cannot feed the population. On 1st April, we visited Mr. Gilbert Naifi, a farmer from Mumbo district, Big Concessions area who has a different experience on how agroecology can feed the population.
This year, ngati minisi ya chepa but this or 100 or 95 or 105 one is ngati your number sinichitachani sinidauta chosa.
After the drought situation of 2024 and lack of resources to purchase synthetic fertilizer, Gilbert Naifi and his family decided to make a compost manure known as bokashi and liquid fertilizer from goat urine. The lack of money to purchase fertilizers could not stop the family from growing crops.
Namba kupanga first because kwa meti tinariri tinamba tunaenza kupunzira mwamene tinifunika kupangira manure yatu yofaka mumunda. Tinamba kupanga tambo packing atikapanga tipacking atikapanga tipakinga antu tunafikiza mabags yanafika ku 50 mabags ya fertilizer kapena organic fertilizer. Then tinamba kushita bwanji kushanga mambeo yatu yamene mambeo yatu ya kudala tashanga tuzinga manure kufaka kumunda. Tinamba kufaka mushemushe kudinga na mameti naponzirira. Tafsiriza hivyo tishita compare kapena kushita compare na kakurido kamilisi yamene tirashanga VCA ya organic awe tionga ziko makuti atikulira bwino kupitira mapunziro amene vanatipunzisa kwa mene tinariri ku training center ku Ubuntu.
He also shared the experiences with farming before he started practicing agroecology.
Dezi yasira ya mayezi yasira kumbuyo sinenze kulima organic ninze kulima vamene va convention. So kuchinja kuti niambe manje kulima chabe organic. In fact pamene na chinja maningi nino this year. Last year jani nzolima half so chabe half so chabe. But not yours. Manje this year vibe milisi ya fertilizer. Yonse ni ya manyunga chabe. Okay. Kuzinga fertilizer machaje tenzo pesa na eve yambi. Kozi kuambira chabe kuri seed. Kufika na fertilizer. Seed uzaipeza pari 700 ngati ya cheap. 700. So zafunika kusakira seed na fertilizer kasaka kamozi munga kuno kwatu munga madezi asira mayezi asira tezogura 950 850 zingati kasaka kamozi manje ngati fonga for example vetadi mila this year 3.5 hectares sunga iri ngati uribe fertilizer so funika wankara na ndrama zambiri at least ngati zachepa at least mwamita pa 20000 kubwera pansi 19 pin 18 pin vija so tugure kasaka fertilizer ugure seed ufunika futi no gura munkwara futi wa mene munje convention mungaturi ma convention Afrika mankarakirini mumunda amene usewengera ndivyo amapunguzira so tenzo pesa kana ma challenge zaku tupeze ndrama zaku tukwanilise mushemushe kulima ndiye jaku tuzali macheka ngono kamene uzali manika ngono kamene washanga ako wafaka fertilizer mushemushe ndivyo chezo nkali tikapeleka kuri munga implement ashangira VCA chatipepo munga ine nikambeti chanipepo kila chifuka chako tukulibe chamene naruza chamene napeleka kuja chakuti awe nikakambia tino nagura chaso nagura na chaso chakuti chanatenga ndrama yambiri kwenzeri vonse tenzo kuchita bwanji kutenga ndiye ubwino kapena kupusana kuliko na kudara fertilizer tenzo gura 850 kasaka kamuzi mayezi asira ya mumilisi tenzo gura 350 bottle imozi 350 330 bottle imozi ero mwichema sprayers yangati mwichema sprayer ari 5 So mumunda munga for example 1 hectare imangesa ma bottles yali 4. So timukachita ati 350 kapena 330 times 4 ni ndrama zingati muri 1 hectare. Ero ukaspray kamozi futi ufinge kubweruruka futi mwameni. So ndrama zenzo chita bwanji zenzo paka. So budget yorima risingati na 20 pin. Ndipo ngakamba ati ndine muntu nizalima lisi. Ngati ulibe ndrama yo nishinopura na vorima kulibe chifuka chakuti vambiri vizapezekati ulibe. So farming is akuvuta.
Some of the benefits from not using chemicals and weed killer includes availability of diverse foods, as Mrs. Beauty Martin Naifi, the wife to Mr. Naifi, now explains.
Sirimose satupepukira kuri rulimire likakaofera derere chiwawa bintu vonse tunalima oro wachoka kumunda kwamene kuno watenga cho chiwawa ende wapika waja sinasebenzese munkwala uri wonse ni manja chabe ameta sebenzesa pakuti tupezeke navo hivyo vintu vimonga kumandiyo na nsima yose tizamba na milisi yose.
Mrs. Machaya Njimbi, the mother to Mr. Gilbert, explains that this experience has encouraged them to continue using manure made by her hands than fertilizer.
Nashangiwa na fertilizer ya mbuzi, marabisha ya mbuzi, ndiye mene kuzoboreza mundu, kufaka mulaini, ndiye milisi. Bati kushangiwa nashanga milisi, ni second yanti. Ili wana milisi ili chabe bwini nayo panga ili panga chabe nayo ili bwini nayo fertilizer ukabika bwini nayo ili bwini mangi pamosi chabe nomira faka fertilizer nomira faka tumosi ili ya keep.
And Mr. Lawrence Naifi, the young brother to Mr. Gilbert, said there is no difference between fertilizer and manure, which is handmade.
Ubwino we naona pa popanga fertilizer ya bokashi naona pa ubwino naona pa ubwino kwa kuibesha be naruza popanga bokasha sinauzepo ndrama sinauzepo chichonse but ubwino we naona pa bokashi igwira mi same na penye wafaka fertilizer veni ubwino we naona po nwakuti kulibe kuza chichonse popanga kuzinga che mpamvu ya kuliba tinanuze ndama ni lugwa fertilizer kuliba kuzinga che manyo hapa nyumba ameni popanga bokashi.
Mr. Gilbert Naifi also gave the benefits that he found in using agroecology farming practices.
Organic farming muri berosi. Chifukwa organic farming kulibe chamene uza gurapo cho dura chamene uza sevenzesa vina vambiri tilina veve kudara mu nyumba yatu monga manyua tilinayo vina ngovasara hivi vamene tima onjezerapo monga mauzu sitigura titenga chabe. So ndiye ubwino ulimo futi ubwino wina ngono wakuti vo gura vambiri monga kumankani ama mixtures ni vintu chabe viviri vamene tima gurako monga sugar na yeast futi na veve vili cheap price ukavigura kusankaniza then tapanga fertilizer yatu. Urimi watu wa VCA awe takondera na weve bapitirize vote ta support kuti tiende pamwamba na urimi wa organic farming. Then kuyanganira munga vamene vagwirira vishango vatu kulingana na mulungu vamene atipasira mvura VCA awe vagwira bwino yakuti mungarepere na kuchita compare mukachita compare mungarepere kuchita kuona kuti neat organic kapena neat convention chifuka chakuti vioneka chesema.
Mr. Naifi also shared the benefits of not putting any herbicides or weed killer in his farming field and made an appeal to government.
Mwaka uno jatubira mugani yako jana jishu kambo kakutaberesha misamu kwajani ga jishu jirimene nambuli bakanunka nko bali muno bonko nkwari chibwabwa nko jiri derere nko iri then tujisamyungu so jatubira gumagana gora jishu kambo twabura mari tunkabo kugera kumunda twajika twarya kwina gona nzara kambo jishu tubijisi bubotu bakuhanga jishango jinyina ya mutuha bubotu mbona jana mbwakuti jishu jonse jirimene na turabanchijo ama na ncho tuhanga tatkwina chichiko yakuhwa kambuka kuti tatu spray misamu so ina ncho tujaya mu munda yonse jiraba bwizi mwalanga murabona bwizi mbo buralibonya Chifumbwa chakamena chakahangareza chirede kumena kamwe kuina musamu kotokaberesha. So tarumba maningi kuchiyo chichakwiya kushanga organic chatugwashirija kambo tatuoni nzara kambo chishubiyo tulijisi achakulya nyanya kochiri.
From the look of things, the Naifi family are food secure. They have spent less this farming season to produce food for the family. Encouragement to smallholder farmers that they should not stray away from farming in cases where they cannot afford to buy synthetic fertilizer. FEN Zambia production with support from the Swedish International Development Cooperation Agency, SIDA, through We Effect.